After the dogs and pineapples became friends, they closed school and they were wondering what to do. Even the parents were wondering what to do since their work was closed. So let's see what's happening in the pineapple planet. Hi Pineapple 29. Hi Dog 101. It's a good thing we have closed school. Yeah, it's a good thing we have closed school. But now what do? I have an idea. Let's go to the beach. Yeah. Let's tell the other pineapple and dogs about this, okay? Okay, meet you tomorrow. Hey, where are you going, son? I'm going to pack up to go to the beach tomorrow. Okay, what time are you going to be gone? I'll be gone around 5:15 p.m. Okay, I will help you pack. Thanks, Dad. So after that, the dogs and pineapples started packing. Then the next day, they met at the beach. It's a good thing we chose to come on the beach today. It's so hot, and yesterday was so cold. Yeah, it's a good thing. Let's go swimming. So then, one pineapple jumped into the water before everyone else. Then suddenly, the pineapple started drowning. Ah, help, I'm drowning. Someone help me. Ah, I'm drowning. Then one dog jumped in and said, I'm coming. But the dog didn't know how to swim. But the dog closed his eyes and jumped. Once he was in the water, he found himself floating and he screamed, I'm coming, Pineapple. Then after that, the pineapple was still drowning and the dog was trying to save him. The dog surrounded the pineapple and the pineapple was saved. Thanks for saving me, Dog 29. No problem, Pineapple 2. So, should we go home? Yeah, let's go home. What the pineapples and dogs didn't know, there was a pineapple and a dog stealing from people. And since it was Christmas season, they really wanted to steal everything. Whoa, this mansion is big. Yeah, it is. But we have to be careful. I heard it's owned by a rich man who has very, very, very strong security. Okay, let's go. To be continued. Okay, guys, these are the credits. The people who helped the most are my mom, my cousin called Amira, God, and you guys. Also you guys, because you guys helped me from the beginning. Also, I did a lot too. Thank you for all your support. Goodbye. Jaden, H, Hiari, A, Adventures, JHA. Jaden, Hiari, Adventures. Stay safe and have a happy new year. God bless you. Goodbye.